Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Mini.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now beginning the boarding process for flight TT666 to Teehee Town. Please fasten your seatbelt. In the event of an emergency, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to the next exit. We have now reached our cruising altitude. The captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, and you're free to move about the cabin. We recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened while seated in case of unexpected turbulence.
Funny skeleton flying in an airplane in the stormy sky with thunder and rain. We call the air hostess asking for a treat. She said, "Don't dance around and please take your seat." Crazy skeleton flying in the sky, rattling bones, zooming up high. They call the air hostess dancing around. She said, "Please sit down, please sit down." Goofy skeleton playing with the seat belts. Click, clack, breaking the bells. Pilot announced, and here's what he said.
Turbulence coming up. Mind your head.
Loony crazy skeleton playing tag. One going crazily, yelling in a bag. The air hostess serves snack and tea. She said, "Skeletons are driving me crazy." The loony skeleton in the cockpit, dancing around the busy pilot. The cabin crew then called for help. Go to your seats and fasten your seatbelts. All the skeletons then hushed and sat down. They stopped causing fuss and screaming around. The plane went down and the landing crashed. Oh no! What happened after that?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Teehee Town. We hope you have enjoyed your flight with Teehee Airlines, and we look forward to seeing you again.
Ooh, here we are. A spooky cave.
I'm not going.
Oh, come on, Len. Let's take a peek. In the cave so dark, scary and deep. Let's go find Mommy's asleep. With the funny writings on the walls.
I hear strange voices and wolf calls.
Mommy's wrapped inside the sheets,
Look, they came alive.
dancing to the funny beats. In the cave so dark, scary and deep. Let's go find Mommy's asleep. What are those funny noises?
I hear strange voices. Huh?
these old scary tombs. Skeletons dancing to and fro.
Look, Mini, spider webs!
Shh! I think it is time to go. In the cave so dark, scary and deep. Let's go home, Len, it's time to leave. A spider's here, look at him weave.
I really think we should leave.
Did someone say leave?
Did someone say leave?
You cannot leave. No, not just yet. Don't forget, something is not right. Fix and you'll see. Once you do, you'll be free.
Is it this tooth, Mini?
You're right, Len, it is. This is the tooth we need. Five skeletons are walking now in Teehee Town, marching out. Five skeletons are walking now, groovy skeletons. Four skeletons are jumping up and jumping down. Four skeletons are jumping up, crazy skeletons. Three skeletons are dancing, wow, dancing here and dancing now. Three skeletons are dancing, wow, dancing skeletons. Two skeletons are driving a bus, a spooky bus, a funny bus. Two skeletons are driving a bus, spooky skeletons. Spooky skeletons. One skeleton is laughing loud, laughing out really loud. One skeleton is laughing loud, funny skeleton. There were two in the bed, and the skeleton said, roll over, move over. So they moved real slow, and one fell off. Wacky skeleton!
Huh?
There was one in the bed, and then he said, come over, come back now. So they all came back and went to sleep. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good
Five crazy skeletons dancing on the grave. One fell off and cracked his head. So the witch called a zombie, and the zombie said,
No more skeletons dancing on the grave.
Four crazy skeletons dancing on the grave. One fell off and cracked his head. So the witch called a zombie, and the zombie said,
Stop this dancing.
Three crazy skeletons dancing on the grave. One fell off and cracked his head. So the witch called a zombie, and the zombie said,
No more skeletons dancing on the grave.
Two crazy skeletons dancing on the grave. One fell off and cracked his head. So the witch called a zombie, and the zombie said,
No more skeletons.
One crazy skeleton dancing on the grave. He fell off and bumped his head. So the witch called a zombie, and the zombie said,
Go crazy skeletons dancing on the grave.
Johny Johny,
yes, Papa.
eating a pie,
Yes, Papa.
ready for a party.
Yes, Papa.
Let's get the treats.
Ha, ha, ha.
Jamie, Jamie,
Yes, Papa.
is that a balloon?
Yes, Papa.
Ready for the party.
Yes, Papa.
Let's get the treats.
Ha, ha, ha.
Toby, Toby,
Yes, Papa.
eating a lollipop.
Yes, Papa.
Ready for a party.
Yes, Papa.
Let's get the treats.
Ha, ha, ha.
Yes, Johnny.
Eating jello?
Yes, Johnny. Ready for the party? Yes, Johnny.
Let's get the treats. Ha ha ha!
Five spooky zombies hiding under the bed. One crept out and bumped his head. Len called Mini and Mini said, "There are no scary monsters under your bed." Four spooky zombies hiding under the bed. One crept out and bumped his head. Len called Mini and she said, "There are no scary monsters under your bed." Three spooky zombies hiding under the bed. One crept out and bumped his head. Len called Mini and she said, "There are no scary monsters under your bed." Two spooky zombies hiding under the bed. One crept out and bumped his head. Len called Mini and she said, "There are no scary monsters under your bed." One spooky zombie hiding under the bed. He crept out and bumped his head. Len called Mini and she said, "There are no scary monsters under your bed." No spooky zombies hiding under the bed. None crept out and bumped their heads. Len called Mini and she said, "Oh no, there are spooky monsters! Forget what I said!" Five funny zombies making a soup, mixing up potion in a bubbling coop. One zombie added all in his food. The soup then tasted really good, really good, really good. The green soup tasted really good. Four funny zombies mopping up the floor, dusting and cleaning the walls and the door. One zombie then slipped and she fell. Oh, what chaos as they all then fell. He had a fall, she had a fall. Oh, what chaos as they all then fell. Three zombies were laying at the table with pots and pans and a funny looking kettle. One zombie then broke a cup. The other zombies then woke up. They all woke up. They all woke up. The other zombies then woke up. Two little zombies were playing with a ball, jumping up and then had a fall. One zombie who hurt his knee. The other little zombie who went to bed. Sleeping happily, he slept in his bed. The family of zombies got sleepy too. It's time to go to bed. Good night to you. Good night to you. Good night to you. It's time to go to bed. Good night to you. Five skeletons were sleeping in the grave, and one woke up in the middle of the night. Four skeletons who lived by the graveyard loved to dance in the middle of the night. They couldn't stop dancing and laughing out loud, and all of this in the middle of the night. Three skeletons were sipping green tea, and one burnt his tongue in the middle of the night. Two skeletons were playing hopscotch. He lost his leg in the middle of the night. They couldn't stop dancing and laughing out loud, and all of this in the middle of the night. Five skeletons who lived by the graveyard loved to dance in the middle of the night. Four skeletons were marching to the beat, and one fell asleep in the middle of the night. Three skeletons were dancing ding dong, and one played the violin in the. Two skeletons were playing a game of chess, and one started crying in the middle of the night. They couldn't stop dancing and laughing out loud, and all of this in the middle of the night. One skeleton went to Teehee Town. He never came back. Bye bye, good night.
Ooh. Huh? Oh.
Down by the bay, where the pumpkins grow, I just keep sailing while I roam. For if I see pumpkin spooky,
Things you've never really seen. It's time for Halloween.
down by the bay, down by the bay, did you see our cows ready for Halloween? He's in a cows for if I need, I know I'll greet.
Hello, Mr. Silly Ghost. Eating your toast.
Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the skeletons play. They all keep dancing, they cannot stay. For if I need, I shall then greet.
Have you ever seen bats flying so fast?
Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the witches cackle. Back to my home I dare not tackle, for if I do, the witch will say,
It's time for Halloween.
Down by the bay.
Bye.
This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth in the middle of the night. This is the way we comb our hair, slimy hair, we comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair in the middle of the night.
What are these skeletons doing, Minnie?
I think they're getting ready.
Oh, wow.
This is the way they high-five, high-five, high-five. This is the way they high-five in the middle of the night. This is the way they eat their food, eat their food, eat their food. This is the way they eat their food in the middle of the night. This is the way they dance all night, jump all night, dance all night. This is the way they dance all night in the middle of the night. We are crazy skeletons, skeletons, skeletons. We are crazy skeletons dancing all night.
Huh?
Hi, I'm Len.
I'm Mini.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go to Teehee Town.